Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So RV assistant notification is out after the wait of many years. Now the question is what to prepare in GA. GA में क्या prepare करें, क्या topics होने चाहिए, banking awareness का weightage क्या होगा, what will be the current affairs topic and what are the important ones. Everything I am going to tell you within this particular video to watch till end. Total number of vacancies which are announced this year for the RV assistant is 650. 650 vacancies आपकी announce हुई हैं. प्री और मेंस के डेट आपको बता दिए गए हैं. नाउ यू नीड टू प्लान प्रॉपरली इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, बिकॉज कॉम्पिटिशन इज गोइंग टू बी हाई. इवन IBPS क्लर्क, वर्किंग SBI क्लर्क, दे आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर इट. वो सब अप्लाई करेंगे. इवन फ्यू POs इंक्लूडिंग RRB POs एंड ऑल, वो भी अप्लाई करेंगे. सो यू शुड prepare very well. For your complete general awareness, you can go for one source, that is Hustle 3.0, where I'll cover current affairs, banking awareness, static GK, important acts related to the banking industry. Topic wise, monthly current affairs you are able to get, where you will be aware about acha RBI circular is more important. So I can complete the RBI circular of 4 month first. I have completed this topic. So it will make your journey little easy for this particular examination. So without hesitation, you can go for it. Now, first of all, we need to see what are the examination dates. So for your pre-examination date is 11th of April. June, 7th of June is the date of means examination. आपका जो रिजल्ट है प्री एग्जामिनेशन का, that will be announced around between 15 to 20th of May. 15 से 20th ऑफ मे के बीच में आपका रिजल्ट अनाउंस होगा. सो यू विल गेट टू नो अराउंड 20th ऑफ मे that I have cleared the pre-exam and now on 7th of June I have my examination. In practical, they are not going to give you more than 15 to 20 days time after your result to your means examination. So you have to prepare for means in advance. Means के लिए आपको advance में preparation start करना है. So you should focus on this date, 7th of June. कि 7th of June मेरा examination date है. General awareness, they will give you 40 question, 40 marks, 25 minute will be time. It means you are not going to get more statement based question. Even they want to ask you any statement based question question pattern will be which of the following is incorrect or which of the following is correct. Instead of you have to choose statement 1, 2, 3, 1 or 2 is correct, 3 or 4 is correct. No, not that pattern. तो ज्यादा questions आपके direct होंगे. More number of questions will be direct instead of statement based. Statement based questions कम होंगे आपके पास. They will give you the options like 5 statement. You should select which is correct, which is incorrect out of 5, total 5. तो वो 1 2 1 2 1 3 वो वाला कॉम्बिनेशन बिठाने का आपको ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. मींस level of examination of GA will be lower than your SBI PO और IBPS PO examination. उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे रहेगा आपका पैटर्न जो है क्वेश्चंस का. I will not say level, pattern will be lower. Now talking about the GA. So it is the combination of current affairs, banking awareness, static GK. In most of the examination, we have seen that banking awareness questions are almost negligible, but this is RBI and it is RBI assistant. Either you are going for RBI grade B or RBI assistant, you will always see banking awareness weightage is good. So you can easily expect out of 40, 8 to 10 questions from the banking awareness part. 8 से 10 क्वेश्चन आपको बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस पर देखने के लिए मिल जाएंगे. Either they will ask you about which of the following statement is correct about UPI कि UPI के बारे में बताइए और about UPI circle, or they can directly ask you what is the current limit of UPI P2P transaction, UPI P2M transaction, UPI transaction in term of stock market, UPI transaction in term of insurance sector. So these type of question you can expect based on the banking awareness. Just I have given you one example. Still, around your 60 to 70% of question paper will be based on your current affairs part. Sir, do we require to prepare static GK separately? I will always say big no. Never prepare static GK separately. You should focus on the current affairs part. You should focus on the current affairs part. While preparing current affairs, you should cover the static GK. Now, in the current affairs part, we know that our examination is on 7th of June. एग्जाम हमारा 7 जून को है. विच आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मंथ? इज इट मे? नो. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मंथ इज गोइंग टू बी अप्रैल. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन इन योर एग्जामिनेशन यू आर गोइंग टू सी फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल 2026, मार्च 2026. These two are going to be very important. I am not saying May is not important. May is also important. We have to complete the होल करंट अफेयर्स एटलीस्ट टिल 20th ऑफ मे और 25th ऑफ मे। तो मे में 25th ऑफ मे तक का आपको करंट अफेयर्स एटलीस्ट कवर कर लेना है। बट मोर इंपॉर्टेंट मंथ विल बी अप्रैल। ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट मंथ आपके कौन से होंगे? दैट विल बी अप्रैल मंथ and March month and February. So I will give the preference that I will prepare first. मैं क्या करूंगा? अभी तो मैं अप्रैल प्रिपेयर कर नहीं सकता हूं at this moment of time. Can I prepare May month, April month at this moment of time? No, it is not possible. I cannot prepare. So what I will do? I will first complete the January 2026 December करंट अफेयर्स। सो मैं सबसे पहले कंप्लीट कर लूंगा जनवरी मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स। आई विल गिव यू इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ऑल्सो। सो माई फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस विल बी कंप्लीटिंग द जनवरी मंथ। फेब्रुवरी के लिए मैं स्टार्ट कर दूंगा माई डेली करंट अफेयर्स। इफ आई एम नॉट डूइंग राइट नाउ एंड आई हैव टाइम, अर्ली मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock I will start attending TNA. So my February month will be going with the daily current affairs. So यहां से मेरा daily CA start हो जाएगा, which will be helpful for me to cover Feb, March, April on time. Along with that I will revise from the monthly current affairs. तो मेरा पहला पॉइंट होगा जैन कंप्लीट कर लो, फैब को पैरेलली स्टार्ट कर लो। इन बिटवीन दैट आई शुड टेक आउट द टाइम एंड कंप्लीट द दिसंबर मंथ एज वेल। आई शुड नॉट टेक रिस्क that leaving December month. At least MCQs. If I am unable to go for detailed current affairs, at least December month topic wise MCQs I will complete. So if I am getting 2 to 3 questions from December, that will be in my range. मेरी रेंज में होंगे अगर मेरे पास 2 से 3 क्वेश्चंस आ गए दिसंबर मंथ से, so I will complete MCQs at least. If I am not able to do the detailed current affairs is fine. तो दिसंबर हो गया, जनवरी हो गया, फिर फरवरी पैरेलली स्टार्ट हो गया। The day March month will be started, my daily current affairs should go on. The day March month is completed, I will start revising with the support of my monthly current affairs. Similar to that April, में आपको parallelly करना पड़ेगा while going for your after completion of your pre-examination, में आपको parallelly करना पड़ेगा because May 2021 current affairs can come into the examination और वो आपको last moment पर करना पड़ेगा. So May month I will leave for the last. ये मैं लास्ट के लिए छोड़ दूंगा मे मंथ को। रिमेनिंग आई विल कंप्लीट ऑन टाइम एंड आई विल कीप द फोकस ऑन द रिवीजन। तो ये आपके पास इंपॉर्टेंट मंथ्स हो गए। 60 to 65% करंट अफेयर्स विल बी फ्रॉम दीज 4 मंथ। ये 4 मंथ से आपके पास सबसे ज्यादा करंट अफेयर्स आएंगे। नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर आरबीआई, करेक्ट? सो व्हाट आई शुड डू इज, एटलीस्ट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम आई शुड नॉट लीव एनी टॉपिक रिगार्डिंग आरबीआई. When was the RBI started? Which committee recommended? Where was the initial headquarter? Where is the current headquarter? What are the regional office at present? What are the recent update regarding Reserve Bank of India? What are the recent circulars from the Reserve Bank of India? What are the functions of RBI? What is the meaning of internal ombudsman? What is integrated ombudsman? So all these updates regarding RBI, even currency note, which is the smallest currency note issued by Reserve Bank of India, which is the largest currency note RBI can issue, which was the first currency note printed by RBI in the year 1935. कि RBI ने पहला currency note कौन सा print किया था? Everything regarding RBI, including the minting, coin minting and currency printing press in India. Everything about RBI I will cover, including PSL guideline updated one. तो RBI टॉपिक को तो बहुत अच्छे से करना है. Easily we can expect 4 to 5, at least 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. 3 से 4 क्वेश्चन आपको इसके ऊपर देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. नाउ व्हाट टॉकिंग अबाउट बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस. सी दिस इज एक्चुअली दिस इज द एग्जाम एंड RBI grade B is the exam where the weightage of banking awareness is high. But you can opt for 2 options. If you have time, you can go from static banking awareness, means you can complete the topic like types of account, types of banking, types of check, payment settle. This type you can go for the banking. If you have more time, if you have less time, you feel that no sir, I don't have so much time, I'm working. Opposite approach. Whatever the topic in current affairs you are reading, that okay, there is an update regarding integrated ombudsman in India. So now I need to cover integrated ombudsman. What is the meaning of it? Okay, I have seen there is an update regarding UPI. Recently NPCI International Payment have done the collaboration with Malaysia for QR code payment in India and Malaysia with the support of this collaboration. So I will read about UPI in detail कि उस केस में UPI QR code facility उसको पढ़ लो. So 2 approaches you can follow. One is the straight approach, complete banking and then read the current affairs. Second, if you have less time, read the current affairs, highlight the topics which are there in trending topics, banking awareness topic trending in the current affairs, then read them. It will save your time. So two approaches you can follow according to your अवेबिलिटी, आपके अवेबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग. अदरवाइज टॉपिक्स आर दिस वन. इन्फ्लेशन भी करना है, बजट 2026-27 इंक्लूडिंग स्टैटिक बजट, इंपॉर्टेंट बैंकिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी और रीसेंट अपडेट इन द बैंकिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. एनपीए टॉपिक इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Capital market, money market is also very important, including the types of bond. Always check which bonds are there in the current affairs. जो current affairs में bonds आपके चल रहे हो उनको अच्छे से कवर कर लो. Like last year we have seen the updates regarding sovereign gold bond, right? Green bond, sovereign green bond. So इनको अच्छे से हम कवर कर लें. They are more important. Now most important topics. अगर आप मुझसे बोलो सर can you highlight the most important topic? So I will say you first आरबीआई सर्कुलर लास्ट 6 मंथ, ये करना ही करना है. मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी अपडेट टिल योर एग्जामिनेशन. सो अभी आपका फेब्रुअरी मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी अनाउंस हुआ है, अप्रैल मंथ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी विल आल्सो बी अनाउंस. सो फेब एंड अप्रैल 2 मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी यू कैन कंप्लीट. जून मंथ के पहले योर एग्जाम विल बी डन. ठीक है. देन यूनियन बजट 2026-27 न्यूज ऑफ national and international importance where India is involved, banking and financial news last 6 months. So started from December you can go for. This type of news you can expect more into your examination. Like RBI has announced the compensation framework for the fraud up to 25,000 rupee. ये RBI ने भी recently announced किया bank fraud up to 25,000 rupee will be insured by the DICGC. तो ये point हो गया. Revised guideline on KCC. So even it is a RBI assistant exam, you have to cover KCC, NABARD because that was there in the trending news. वो news में था. RBI double the collateral free loan limit to the MSME 20 lakh rupee हो गया under the Mudra scheme. It was recently announced by the Reserve Bank of India. Now even related to insurance sector, you can expect the question that is FDI in the insurance sector implemented from 5th of February. तो ये February month का current affairs हो गया. Regarding IRDAI ये भी आ सकता है. Then Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, now the premium will be charged based on the stability of a bank instead of flat premium imposed over the bank. बैंक के ऊपर flat premium imposed नहीं होगा. अलग अलग banks based on their stability they will be paying the insurance coverage. Then recently Financial Literacy Week was celebrated. RBI issues a digital payment index. All are extremely important. Even from these 6-7 news I have told you, you can expect at least one question. जो मैंने अभी 6-7 बताया ना, इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन आपको देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा एग्जाम में फॉर श्योर. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट आपके पास जो है एक्ट्स हैं, जैसे कि आरबीआई एक्ट 1934, देन आरबीआई एक्ट 1934, निगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट, बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट, बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन. ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शंस, only important sections. Not every section is important. सिर्फ आपको important sections इसके करने हैं. So last 6 month RBI circular, other regulatory bodies in news, mainly your PFRDA, IRDA and SEBI. इन 3 को कवर करना है. Government scheme, news of national and international importance, important months मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं. In the last you can go for the topic like index, acquisition, merger. And if you get the time in the last, you can quickly go through with the MCQs of sports, awards, trophies. वो भी आते हैं, थोड़ा सा weightage उनका कम होता है, weightage will be lower. So still we need to go for awards, trophies, etc. But MCQs we can do instead of spending more time over the concept. Concept का जरूरत नहीं है, रट लो वो डेटा जो स्पोर्ट्स वाला है, जो आपके पास अवार्ड्स वाला है, उसको आप रट लो, पढ़ लो, याद कर लो एंड जस्ट पुट द आंसर इन द एग्जामिनेशन. डोंट स्पेंड मोर टाइम ऑन दैट टॉपिक. दिस इज द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप वेयर यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी फॉर द पीडीएफ. अगर आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए फॉर माई डेली करंट अफेयर्स, इफ यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विथ मी फॉर एनी स्ट्रेटेजी, यू कैन कनेक्ट ओवर दिस टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. माई हसल 3.0 बैच इज वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड. With all these topics which I have told you, you can right now check it. You will be able to find it easily. आपको अक्टूबर से लेकर पूरा करंट अफेयर्स मिल जाएगा इसमें. Till your examination of RBI assistant, complete banking awareness you will be able to find it within the batch. So you need not to worry. After joining this, you should only prepare with the support of this. Remaining, you can go for our platinum mock test package. At present available, started from 199 rupees, and Mahashivratri offer is going on the bundle PDF course. So 3-month validity course is available just at 395 by using the code SHIV. So all the best from my side guys. Please like the session, share with your friends. थोड़ा लंबा वीडियो होगा, बट मैंने आपको एक्चुअल में डिटेल्ड और कंप्लीट स्ट्रेटेजी प्रोवाइड करी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. नाउ यू नीड टू ओनली फॉलो इट प्रॉपरली फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. ऑल द बेस्ट.